Hello. I am Teacher Joseph. Teacher Joseph G. And welcome back. Welcome back to Easy English. Today, we are talking about the hot air balloon. Yes, the hot air balloon. We are talking about how the hot air balloon is built, and we are talking about how the hot air balloon works. Watch the video and prepare. Yes, prepare to use English in context. Prepare to use the article the to describe how the hot air balloon is built and how the hot air balloon works.
Ahoy! Let's think. Today we answer the question, how do hot air balloons work? When you move through the sky, the main method of transport you think of is via airplane. Flying in an airplane is probably the most practical way. There are other methods that people use, but more likely in a recreational way. One of these is riding in a hot air balloon. Not the most efficient use of travel. The hot air balloon is mainly used as a fun activity. But how does a hot air balloon work? The hot air balloon consists of three main parts: the envelope, the burner, and the basket. All three of these components work together to allow the rider to fly up in the air. The envelope is the actual balloon, and the first thing you see when you think of a hot air balloon. The envelope is constructed of gauze, which are long nylon sections made from a combination of nylon and polyester. This is typically the same material used for parachutes, as it's lightweight, sturdy, and has a high melting pressure. The burner is what's used to make the hot air balloon rise. The hot air balloon uses the basic concept that hot air rises. The burner is directly positioned under the envelope, and when turned on, it creates hot air. Air typically weighs about 28 grams per cubic foot, but hot air weighs about 7 grams less. Since hot air weighs less than regular air, it floats. The hot air created by the burner gets trapped in the balloon envelope, causing it to be lighter than the air outside of the envelope, making it float. To make the hot air balloon descend, an opening at the top of the envelope can be opened to let the hot air out. The third component is the basket. This is where the passengers or cargo are safely held. The basket is usually made of wicker, as it's light and durable. Flying in a hot air balloon can be tricky. Rising and falling can be easily controlled using the burner and opening the vent at the top of the balloon. But moving in a specific direction takes a lot more skill. Master ballooners are able to rise and fall the hot air balloon to catch wind currents, which allow them to move in different directions. When you let the wind take you where you want to go, it can be quite an adventure when travelling in a hot air balloon. So that answers how do hot air balloons work. That took some thinking.